with me channel. Today in this video I'm going to start with physics chapter number 1, which is matter. So let's get started. So the first one is states of matter. So first of all, let me define you what is the definition of matter. Matter is a substance or an object which has mass and takes and occupies space is known as matter. So there are many divisions in matter. So I'm going to tell you the three divisions of matter, which are solids, liquids, and gases. So solids are really strong and they cannot be easily compressed. Like if you have ever touched them, the feeling. So like the states of matter are solids, liquids, and gases. So you can see examples of solids can be ice cubes, boxes, wood, etc. For liquids, it can be juices, it can be water, it can be milk. For gases, it can be nitrogen, it can be oxygen, it can be hydrogen, it can be nitrogen, it can be many gases which is present in the air. So intermolecular spaces. So when we come to intermolecular spaces, it is like the arrangement of molecules inside the matter. First of all, matter, any object which is matter, it contains molecules, is made up of molecules. So basically there are divisions. I mean, they're like how many molecules, the arrangement of molecules in each state of matter is known as intermolecular spaces. So now let's get started with the solid. In solids, the molecules are held in a fixed pattern, like they don't move anywhere. They're just in fixed apart. So like if you the molecules are like just vibrating and nothing else. So the next one is liquid. So like how do you get liquid from solid? The way is you need to melt solid to get liquid. So let's try with an example. So we can take ice cube and we can melt it. So once we have melted it, we get water from the ice cube. So you can try this experiment at home to know the actual proof for yourself. So you need to melt solid or keep it in water. If you keep it in water, also it can get into liquid. But the main thing is you can keep it on a pan or you can keep it in a bowl and keep it on stove and then you can melt it. So you get liquid. So the molecules are packed close together and they are just free to move. They're not completely stuck like solid there. They don't even vibrate, but they move here and there very less. So this is liquid. So the next one is about gas. So how to get gas? So from liquid, from evaporating or vaporizing, maybe mostly heating liquid can get you gas. In the gases, the molecules are like molecules decrease in number and are free to move anywhere. Molecules widely are separated. So now, how do you want to get gas to solid? So if you want to get gas to solid back again, you have to follow this method. The thing is, you need to cool gas. So once you're cooling gas, you get liquid. So when you freeze liquid, you get solid. So the main thing is you can take vaporized water and you can start cooling it. Then you get liquid, and when you freeze liquid or you keep it in the freezer, in the fridge, in your refrigerator, you get ice cubes. If you keep it for like 2 hours or 3 hours. So this is also known as solidification, scientific name, and for a gas it is known as condensation. Gas to liquid is known as condensation, and for solid to liquid is melting, and liquid to gas is evaporating or vaporizing. So I have to tell you the all the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. So I'm going to start with solids. So, the solid, it has a definite shape, it has a definite volume, it may get heat. Examples for sugar and salt. See, even powders like turmeric are all solids. They just get heat. So this is the main definition for powders, which most of the people don't think that they are solids. So solid have definite volume, definite shape, it may get heat. So, I mean, if the volume I say, think of a wooden stool. If you ask your friend to sit on it, just stay. Do you think the volume of the wooden stool gets changed? Not at all. So these are the properties of solid. So nextly, I would like to tell you the properties of liquids. So they have no definite shape. They have no definite volume. They have they always need a container to hold them. They cannot be compressed. They can be compressed really lightly. So they always need some container to hold them, otherwise, they may start flowing. As I've told you, the molecules are packed close together. They are free to move. They're not in the same space at all time. Hence, its state is like that. Hence, you need a container to hold them or else they start flowing. As you've seen in rivers and oceans, the containers are not holding them, right? They have no containers to hold them and they keep flowing. So this is the properties of liquids. Next, we're talking about gas. They have no definite shape, they have no definite volume, they have no free surface, and they can easily be compressed. So no free surface means like they occupy every space they can have. They can go here and there. As I've said to you, in gases, intermolecular spaces. So this is what we can know from gases. To know that gases have like there's a proper experiment on gases. If you have to take two balloons and stick it to a scale. So you have to then blow out the air from one balloon, and you need to keep one balloon on the other side, one blown balloon. You can see that the balloon which has air filled in it goes down, and the small balloon which air has been gone out has gone up. So we can say that even gases have weight. So these are the properties of the three states of matter. So the next one is intermolecular forces. So intermolecular forces are the forces of attraction which are inside the matter. So inside like the molecules forces of attraction. So the solids intermolecular forces are very strong. Liquids intermolecular forces are very weak, and gases intermolecular forces are negligible. The meaning of negligible means like they have no intermolecular spaces, like it is really weak. That can be negligible. The next topic is two additional states of matter. As I've told you, the three states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases, there are also two more additional states of matter. There are Bose-Einstein condensates and plasma. There's not much really detailed information about plasma and Bose-Einstein condensates. You can mostly find plasma in the space. Bose-Einstein condensate should be created by a man. So I hope you like this video. So please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. The video has come to the end. I hope you learned something new. So like it and subscribe.